Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you this amazing, beautiful new 2023 RAM TRX. So this car actually came straight from the dealership. The client bought it and brought it straight to us to protect it. So we're doing an IGLA pin code as well as a alarm remote start with the tracking. So this will be fully loaded. This particular client, this is his third TRX. They actually stole 2 TRXs from him already. Obviously those 2 weren't protected, so this time he didn't want to take any chances, and so we're doing a full pin code and security, the works. So if you're not familiar with the pin code, the way it works is the car, we use factory buttons that are on the vehicle. So it can be anything from radio buttons, steering wheel buttons, lights, all kinds of anything in the vehicle, and then it's also a combination. So it's not just like you press one button and the vehicle starts. You actually have to press a combination of buttons that the client elects. So the client picks his code, and the client can also change the code whenever he wants, right? So in this particular vehicle, so we're gonna show you. Stepping on the brake, I have the key fob. I hit the button, nothing happens, right? So the car will not start, right? So now I'm going to start the vehicle with the pin code. So the way that works is you turn the key to the on position. I'm going to enter the pin code. 1, 2, 3. Wait for 2 chirps. There you go. Step on the brake. Vehicle starts. It doesn't matter if you have the factory fob or if they do a relay attack where they, clone the fob and retransmit it to the vehicle. None of that will start the vehicle. The other nice thing about the IGLA is that it also locks out the OBD connector. So they can't, one of the other methods that they do is break into the car and reprogram a key and then drive off. But this system also blocks them from programming a key. And even if by some, which is technically impossible, if by some chance they were able to make a key without the pin code, they still can't start the vehicle. It doesn't matter if it's the factory key that came from Dodge, the original RAM TRX key, or a cloned, has nothing to do with it. The car will not start without the pin code. So as a second layer of defense, so the IGLA protects it from vehicle from being stolen, right? But this protects the car itself. The bad part about it is that they're gonna try to break into the vehicles. This alarm in particular has a tilt sensor so that if they jack the vehicle up, the alarm will go off. If they hit the car, the alarm will go off. And if they break the window or open any of the doors, the alarm will go off. So, and the nice thing is this is a 2-way remote with a 3-mile range. It will actually alert to the remote and let you know, and it will show you door, glass, tilt. It'll show you whatever is going on with the vehicle and why it's going off. But also he has a drone backup which goes to your cell phone. So the nice thing is you don't have to worry about range. The range is unlimited. Basically, if you have cellular or Wi-Fi, you can lock the car, unlock the car, and also receive all the alerts. So you'll know if they hit the car, open the door, tried to jack it up, whatever they try to do, you will know on your phone itself. And you can track the vehicle from your phone. So if they did happen to take it by either trying to push it away, drag it, or tow it, push it with another vehicle, you can actually track the vehicle and find it, or at least tell the police so that they can find it. So on the IGLA, its main function is obviously to keep the vehicle from being stolen with the key or with some form of the key. There's 2 main ways they steal these vehicles. One is a relay attack. So basically what that is they have 2 guys. One guy clones the key by standing near your house or near your garage, and the other guy stands near the vehicle and retransmits the signal to the car, allowing the car to start. The second is they break a window, hop in the vehicle, hook up a scan tool, either a factory scan tool that they've stolen or a locksmith scan tool, program a new key, start the vehicle, and drive away. So those are like the 2 main ways they're stealing these cars so easily. The nice thing about the IGLA is it defends against both those situations. So it allows you to not start the vehicle regardless of key, and it also locks out the OBD connector so that they can't program a new key. So again, the system just works. It's amazing. Every vehicle that we've done, they've never had an issue again. So on a lot of these cars, I mean, it's kind of a necessity, right? Because these cars are so easy to steal and they're such a hot item right now, especially here in Chicago. You need some kind of protection, even if it's not Even if you don't do the full-blown alarm IGLA, at least do the IGLA. The IGLA will help you prevent the car itself from getting stolen. It won't prevent them from hitting the car, damaging any of the other stuff, but at the very least, it will prevent them from physically taking the vehicle and having to deal with it. A lot of clients are like, oh, well, that's why I have insurance, right? I have full coverage, okay? But after the third time in this client's case, where the insurance has to get you a brand new car because the other one's vanished, your insurance is not going to be happy, right? They're either going to raise your rates, they're going to drop you as a client. So why even bother, right? Just get some kind of protection, at least up front, and you don't have to deal with that. If you're interested in this or any of our other services, please give us a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.